Hello guys, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we are going to look into exercise 5.3 question 1 bit 1 from chapter 5 called arithmetic progression. So let's see what exactly is given in question number 1 bit 1. Now moving on to question number 1 bit 1, it is given that find the sum of the following APs. The given number sequence is 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. Guys, this question looks to be really very easy one. Just we need to find out the sum of the given number sequence up to 10 terms. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Solution. So guys, as per the question, we are going to find out the sum of the following APs 2, 7, 12 to 10 terms. So guys, let me put the data whatever is given in this equation or in this question so that it will be easy what we are going to do. So as usual, just I am going to write first, second, third and 10th, because till 10th term we are going to work out. So putting 2 under first term, 7 under second term, 12 under third term, and we are going to find out 10th term is not given, so we'll see what we are going to do. A1, A2, A3 and this one is A10 guys. Okay, so I have just included this thing in a tabular form so that it will be easy, we will not mess up with the data and things will be pretty easy for us. We would have a clear picture what we are going to do. Okay, fine. So guys, you could see like the question is asking us to find out the sum of the 10th term of this given AP. That means this is an arithmetic progression. So let's see whatever the things we have, we are going to put the things in place. First of all, as this is an arithmetic progression, we have the common difference D. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. And why I am finding out the common difference, you will see that this common difference is would be required while working out. So 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. So we got the common difference as 5 and n here is 10 because we are going to find out the sum of the 10th term. So here n is 10, but for finding out the sum of the 10th term we need to find out this value first. Okay, so we are going to find out this value, particularly this value, using our formula an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now replacing the values, whatever the values we have now in this equation, we will get a10. Here an is nothing but a10 is equal to a1. A1 here is 2 plus n. Here n is 10. This is n value 10 minus 1 and d we found out to be 5, so we'll just write 5 here. Now solving this equation, we are getting a10 is equal to 2 plus 9 into 5, that is equal to 2 plus 45, or that is equal to 47. So guys, we got the value of a10 is equal to 47. Okay, this is one of the data that will be required, or we found out this particular value as 47. Fine. Now we are going to calculate, or we are going to find out the sum of the 10th term here as per the question. So to find out the sum of the 10th term, the formula, we very well know the formula for finding out the sum of the 10th term is A2S10 is equal to 2S10 is equal to n into A1 plus AN. Okay, so here as we are going to find out like 2SN is equal to, this is the formula, 2SN is equal to n into A1 plus AN. Or I can write, just replacing the values, I can write 2s10 because we are going to find out the value of the 10th term, sum of the 10th term. 2s10 is equal to n here is 10, a1 here is 2 plus an or a10. Now I can write 2s10 is equal to 10 into 2 plus a10 is 47, that is what we derived just before, or that is equal to 10 into 49, or I can write s10 is equal to 10 into 49 by 2. So this will cancel off and I am getting 5 into 49. Or I can write s10 is equal to 5 9 45, 5 4 20, 21 22. Guys, that's all. So sorry, this one will be 245. 5 9 45, 5 4 20, 21 22 23. That's all, guys. The sum of the 10th term is 245. So we can write at the end of our answer, we can write because as the question asks us to find out the sum of the following AP up to the 10th term. Therefore, the sum of the AP to 10 terms is 245. That's all, guys. I believe you understood this calculation. This calculation is super easy, but still if you have any questions or concerns, kindly write to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.